Yun, dito na kami sa welcome. Welcome. Kung saan kaya tayo dito? Ito na po ang location kung saan kami ay may dagat na. Yay! May dagat na. Bibi! Hey! Dito na kami. Oh, dali, bilis. Nasaan sinalas mo? Buha. Ayan, kay nanay. Oh, nanay. Oh, dali, parito, dali.
When I'm feeling trouble, lift my hands and pray that you will be done in the rain or sun. Oh, it's a beautiful day. I don't want to add to my mighty, cause tomorrow I'll be fall down on my face. Lord, thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Lord, I thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain.
Bili muna
It's a
daw kami ng
beautiful
pants.
day.
May first spots kami yung first spots
It's a beautiful
sa location. Diba? Oh, ganda oh! Oh, ganda oh!
Sometimes life is good, but then the trouble comes my way. But whatever happens,
Naalala daw ni nanay ang pagpunta niya din eh. Oh, ayan kami ngayon.
this
So
day,
yan, sobrang ganda ng
when
location.
I'm feeling
Ayan, oh.
trouble, lift my hands and pray that you will be done in
Ah,
the
tanaw na
rain
yung sa...
or
Yan yung banda
sun.
doon.
Oh, it's a beautiful day.
Oo nga, so maganda naman talaga. Ayan, syempre, nauuna syempre kami. So yan, ganyan ang view. May nagkaakitan, nahila. Biglang hinila kami. Ayan, natito na kami. Kaunahan pa ako napapunta. Ayan, syempre yun. Oh, ganda.
Lord, I thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for rain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Sometimes life is good, but then the trouble comes my
Ito naman yung second batch. Dumating na yung mga second batch. Ayan na mga kapamilya. Ayan. Syempre yan o. Kami pa lang. Ayan. Bakit?
my hands and pray that you will be done in the rain or
Magdadagat ba? Ganun. Oh, ayan. So, yan ang aming second batch. Oh, ayan. Oh, ayan. Dumi na ng pandesal. Ayan. Ayan, ang second batch namin. O, unti-unting darating sila. Siyempre, unang ginawa ay kumain ng pandesal. Yan.
Lord, I thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day.
Siyempre,
It's a beautiful day.
at nakisali nga itong aso. Akala mo na may kasali siya talaga. O, na, siyempre, ito yung second batch. Naggagayak na din ng vlog. Ito si Miss Ganda. Ito po isang vlogger. Ayan. Yan. Siyempre, ayan. Ito po yung director. Yan, ang director. O, ayan. Kaway-kaway. At siyempre, ito yung aming pinaka-maning.
Feeling trouble.
Ito ang aming artista.
Lift my hands and pray that you will
Ayan, o,
be
diba?
done
Nakasalamin
in the rain or sun.
Siyempre, ito yung aming eksena. O, diba? Kuya, kumusta ka na?
I don't want to add to
May padami na yung tao. Kanina, wala pa. O, ngayon,
tomorrow I'll
dami
be
na tao.
fall down on my face. Lord, thank you for
Yan, o, syempre,
sunshine.
sikat ng
Thank you for
araw.
rain.
Pinaka-the best naman ng sikat ng araw. Naman, hinahabol namin siya.
Beautiful day.
Ito, isa pa namin
Lord, I thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day.
man yung the last batch. Kanina pa! Kasunod lang namin. O, yan, kapapugi.
but then the trouble comes my way.
So, yan.
But whatever happens, Lord, I thank you for this day. And when I'm feeling troubled, lift my hands and pray that you will be done in the rain
Third
or
batch.
sun.
Ay, saan kayo galing?
It's a beautiful day.
Kayo tayo ba nagsunugan?
Tomorrow I'll be fall down on my face. Lord, I thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful
Ayan, may
day.
family. Siyempre, nagkagulo na. O, ayan, nagdatingan na sila.
Thank you for rain.
Ayan.
Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
Ayan. Itong nasunugan ay magkukubol na.
Sometimes life is
Kaya mo siya, pwede naman yan.
the trouble
Di,
comes
ah!
my way.
Pwede yan.
But whatever happens, Lord, I thank
Le, saan kayo
you for
galing?
this day.
Ikaw po ba balik bayan?
When I'm
Ay, balik
feeling
dagat. Ay, sus,
troubled,
ginawa. Ay, kaganda mo pa dito rin. O, tingnan mo, oh. Iya. Ay, aring ang aming director, ay, aming artista yung naari pa, hindi pa nakahanda, oh.
I
Oh,
don't
ayan, oh.
want to act to my and my because tomorrow
Ay, sa namin artista ngayon, oh.
Lord,
Bundan.
thank you for sunshine.
Ay, Diyos kong kilikili. Oh my God, yeah!
It's a beautiful day. Lord, I thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for
Ulo ng ano nini, yan.
thank you for rain.
Oh, bye! Ay, now! Oh, ayan, aming pamilya, ayan, oh. Ayan. Okay. Dati nga ayun. Oh, ayan. Oh, kaway-kaway. Stretch. Well, hindi pa kami nakuha. Bakit kami tatalay ka? Oh, ayan. Bakit po? Bakit? Alin? Sino? Sino? Sino nga? Sino kumabag mo? Oh, ayan. Oh, ayan. Ay, ito na po yung dinosaur. Ay, pinagkaguluhan ng dinosaur. Ayan! Ay, nagkaguluhan na po, Diyos ko, Lord. Ayusin ninyo! Ayan, gusto kayat daw. Sino kinakabkab? Ay, Diyos ko, kinakabkabin. Ayan, no? Wala na kayong kakain ni mamaya. Wala tayong magagawa. Ganun talaga.
Ba't kayo kinukuha nyo?
Okay ka lang naman dyan, Pitang. Ayan, Pitang. Ayaw mo namang lahat ilabas. Baka lang wala ka na. Tanghalian.
Ba, mamaya yung kalahat. Ilangan eh. Makakiyaan.
Ayan, ika.
Kaya yung dalawa.
Ay, dalawa yan naman. Siyempre ganyan. Ay, yung my birthday! Sus ko po, hindi nyo malangalo ang my birthday. Ano lang nangyari? Ay, hindi naliliit.
Para makatingin bang sa ng kanyang...
Sila naman walang pakialam mo. Wala silang pakialam kung nag-ano kayo dyan. Siyempre nagkaroon na kami ng kubol. Ayan, no? Ay, yung isang ano, parang pinapanood na kami. Tiktatakaw na rin mga ari. Pinapanood na lamang kami nung nagdala ng dinosaur. Ay, kami pinapanood na lamang. Ayan nga po, sa part na to naman syempre, puro kalukuhan ang aming kasunod na episode. Dito naman syempre ito yung aming breakfast time. At kagadating nga lang mga tinina ng ganda ng location. At tuwan-tuwa naman ang lahat. Lalo na po ang aking nanay, ang aming
I
ina.
don't want to act to my and my because tomorrow I'll be fall down on my face. Lord, thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Lord, I thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
Ayan, natatapos ang aming pag-aalmusal sa part na to ay talaga naman parang sarap na sarap pa rin sinatayan. Himod daliri talaga. Ay, napakaganda naman talaga ng pangyayari. At syempre ito, talaga naman, magiging okay na. At parang naubusan nata ako dito nung sinasabi. Parang naubusan nata ako nga ni ng pagkain din ni nga ni Bayan.